Hello, this is Juliet here. Thank you for coming to my channel where I normally share with you my resin art, my travel vlogs and life tidbits. And today I'm so excited. The African Kenyan me. I'm going to share with you this savannah scene in an elephant silicone mold. I don't know if you watched the card above where I showed you the Masai Mara trip and just how the Masai Mara looks, that national park and all the wildlife. Today I'm excited to share with you that bit of it in resin. That's my inspiration. And so we're going to use lots of mica colors. We're going to use this bronze stone MEYSPRING. We're going to use chocolate black MEYSPRING. We're going to use the wine red MEYSPRING, and the SEISSO ones we're going to use orange. We have bronze, and this is a lighter bronze compared to this is dark, this is lighter. We're going to use the sunshine golden, and we're going to use the fantasy yellow. And what I'm going to do is paint in this with mica. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell if you like this and any of my videos so that you don't miss out. You can also follow me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires, and that's where I share more often. And sometimes the creations that I don't do YouTube videos for, I show reels and photos and other videos. And so to begin with, I'm going to put this on a time lapse, but what I'm going to do is right now, to begin with, I'm going to, you see this fantasy yellow? I'm going to begin with this and start dabbing it into. This time I'm doing this as a sunset. You know, with molds you can do different things all the time. So for now, this is what I'm going to do. Time to demold this. You can see a little of the color came up, but it looks like, you can see, I don't know, I'll show you, it looks like an elephant at the back, you know, like a shadow. So let's do this. Do the corners carefully so that you don't tear the mold. Okay, all clean. All right, you can see all clean. This is what I don't know if the light will allow me. Okay, let's see. I don't know if this light will allow me to show you. Okay, okay, I think you can see a bit. You can see some of the color came up to the surface, and it looks like an elephant. Maybe when I have a different angle, I'll show you, but you can see it a little here. It looks like an elephant, you know, with the trunk going up. If I wanted to, I would put another layer of clear here and you cover that up, but I think it adds to its character. So let's see how it looks on the other side. Do we have our sunset? Our African savanna sunset? Let's see. Yes, we do. Look at that. Our orange didn't come out as well, so I think I need to get a stronger orange. But look at that sunset. Look at the bronze here. This is a matte finish. The other option I would do is to put clear on it, then it would pop more. But this time I love the way the sun is popping, so I won't put clear here so that this is the, you know, the focal point. But I love it. See the rhino, the giraffe. I have to find a way of cleaning. After putting the mica, I have to find a way of cleaning these bits more so that they don't get this color inside. Or next time I try put some of the black down. I don't know what I'll do next time. I think as you go on you learn. And so if you want to see that one for next time, subscribe here and I'll be so grateful so that you don't miss out on video notifications. On Instagram, I'm sure going to put another post of the other one that I make. So follow me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires. So stick around. I'm going to show you how I put how it looks when it's standing, because it can stand on its own, but then stay a little longer because I'm going to show you how I made a stand for this, so that especially when you're selling, it adds value, it upscales it when you put a stand for it. So keep watching. Thank you for watching this one.